Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making day-night cookies. For this we need butter, whole wheat flour, refined flour, sugar, vanilla essence. So in a bowl take butter, add little whole wheat flour. You can make it with refined flour, but we want to make little healthier, so we are using whole wheat flour. So now in a bowl add castor sugar, mix it and make a smooth batter. Now in another bowl take 50 grams of whole wheat flour. Now add butter and sugar mixture and make a dough. Add few drops of vanilla essence. Add remain butter sugar mixture to make proper dough. Now our dough is ready. We will make another dough. For this we need cocoa powder, whole wheat flour, refined flour, castor sugar, butter and baking powder. Similarly, we will take whole wheat flour, little baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Similarly, we will add butter and castor sugar and make a smooth batter. Mix both batter. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and make a dough. Now our another dough is ready. Now make a small bowl of this night dough and a small bowl of our day dough. Now we will make small bowl of both doughs. Mix them together, flat them and make a bowl again using your hand. Now press it. Make a design using anything, whatever you have. You can use fork, you can use knife. I'm using grater here. Similarly, make different shape and size of cookies, and on preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius bake it for 22 minutes, and after 22 minutes your day-night cookies is ready. Thank you.